Alright guys, so X6 video today. I'm going to be doing the engine partition covers, which go between the wiper cowl and the engine bay. This is a turbo motor, so it puts out a lot of heat, and what happens to the OEM stuff is that the plastics fall apart right at this crack right here. So, let's get to it. The OEM stuff is really easy to take off. This is the new piece, but you have a 10mm here, a 10mm here, a Torx here, it's a T25, and a Torx T25 here. That's it. That's how you get this piece off. The center piece is, I guess this is the broken one, but there are two T25s there. Let me show you on the car. T25 there, T25 there, and this piece goes on like so. As you can see, once the holes are all lined up, something like that. Or that's not even lined up, but something like that. And then this piece right here is the same deal. 10 mil down there. T25, T25, super accessible. You do have to remove the covers that go over here, which are just a 13 mil and they're quarter turn fasteners. And that's what you do here. So, because there's a lot of heat in here, I decided to be hot boy and I put gold foil tape just to try and reflect some heat. I don't know if it's gonna work, but it looks cool and it looks like I did something. Otherwise, I bought the eBay stuff. So these things are super cheap, and there is a difference between eBay and non-eBay. So first of all, you have the OEM stuff, includes, if I can find them, where the 10 mils go, they have these metal standoffs like that, and they go in here. The Chinese ones do not. So you have to drill a hole. I took a 3/8 inch drill bit, that's the size of this standoff right here, and then remount these holes right there, and you can slip these standoffs in. You'll be good to go. Easy peasy. The other thing is the OEM has this piece of foam, I guess, to insulate it a little bit better. The Chinese ones do not, but that's also an easy fix. You buy this stuff, rubber foam self-stick weather seal. This is the Frost King one, and I got this from Home Depot. This is a 10-foot long one. You don't need 10 feet, because I used this stuff on a different project for my Tahoe, and then I used the remaining for this guy, and I still have this much left. So basically, buy one 10-foot pack, you're good to go. Otherwise, that is it. You gotta reassemble, and this thing is super simple. This has taken me less than an hour to do. So, hope this is a quick overview on what you want to do if these engine partition covers break on your E70 or E71. Thanks for watching.